This is a reaction for his wedding video for his photographers and market. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I didn't make it full screen though.
No, just play it, let's see.
Okay. Owens is on a slideshow.
See, wait.
He's in a slide. Oh, yes, clips in between also. Yo, that was no.
I'm gonna go get that.
It was. Anyway, wine tasting. Kijk, was het de wine tasting appointment 12 in, hè? Kijk, tijd. Kijk, tijd, hè? Ons het nog niks kleren uit die. Ons gezicht is gewassen, maar ons het make-up aan.
Nonsense.
Ons het 15 minuten om te rijden. At least is die wijnplaats naby, maar kijk hoe lijkt ons. So ek moet seker maar gewoon raak nou. Okay guys, ons is... Wow. Okay guys, she wants a video of herself. Kan ze omdraaien? Ik wil het lijkt even tijdens de Holland of weer niet. Kom, maar het lijkt mooi. Hoe is zij kwaad van mij, hè? Omdat zij is laat. Nou is zij kwaad van mij omdat ik kwaad is voor jou.
Kom, ons is laat.
Hij wil ze nog een video geven.
Wie
En zij lijkt mooi.
Kan we gaan?
Zij lijkt mooi, mijn vrouw.
Nee, is te laat.
Dus we zijn nu op pad. Het is 10:12. Ze zijn nog steeds niet klaar niet, maar ze heeft maar besloten om die kaart te doen. Wel, ik het geforst voor het.
You forced me.
Exactly. Dan is het 10:12.
Nou, my lips is in the right look here.
Is recht, is right. Zij is klaar niet, Regie, van wat ze gaat doen heeft. Good people made a booking
Guys,
fast.
listen to this now.
As a
It's a wine farm, no? They offer wine tasting today. We just so happen to ask if there's a slot. What are they gonna tell us? No, come at 4 o'clock. You know what I mean? Like, you only have 4 glasses of wine available. What is happening? Why must we come at 12?
my ding is die, né? This is the problem with South Africa. As jy vir iemand sê gaan na 12 uur is, sy kan nie quarter past kom nie. Sy disrespect mense se tyd. Maar guys, ek weet aan haar. Ons is nog getroud, so ek gaan haar die regte ways leer om hom te wys. En die liewe man. Yes, meneer. Sy disrespect die mense se tyd.
Okay, but you wanna disrespect my time.
How? How? Let's talk about it.
You disrespect my time every time we'd be with other people by staying longer and talking longer than we should. Let's talk about it.
And say, well, look at Davis, let's talk about it. You wanted to be there, so now you're mad that I'm having a good time to the place that you wanted to be at. How? But anyway, don't. Okay, wacht, ik ga net hier voorbij. Anyway, zien jullie daar. 5 hours later.
5 minutes later, guys.
Kijk, wat de foto van jou hier. Alright guys, ons is nou hier by die plek. Tiffany verstaan nou die concept of being on time, so ons vergewe vir hom. But anyway, guys, die significance van die wine tasting vandag, né, is ek het my proposal gedoen by die plek.
Ons?
Ek het propose, nie jy nie.
We got engaged.
We got engaged here. I proposed, Dylan proposed here. Ja, so kom ek wys julle gou. Mooi is die plek, lekker views en wat. Just take it in. Ons sal by hy cake getrouwd mos. Onthou jy?
When?
That one day.
Oh.
As fine ek gebou sien ek. But anyway. Just so. Sy kan maar nou laat is, maar sy weet om aan te trek, guys. Een ding. Maar ja, laat die wyn kom. Ons gaan nou lekker drink, ons is naby die huis. So ons kan maar. Boss, we ready?
Have you tasted this one before?
We
think
once,
have.
I think once, no, we did wine
Yeah,
tasting once
I'm not
before.
sure, but I think I have
I think it was white wine. Say, terang net. Saya boleh sama your man, seriously. Worry, ik wil helemaal woord. Baie dankie. Alright, guys, ik moet dus eerlijk. En ik kan toch niet die kan opeten.
Don't be rude.
Kijk,
A few things I don't eat.
kijk.
Melon.
Okay, just you that eat melon.
This
Kijk hier, guys,
pineapple.
ne? Kijk hier. Die heeft gevraagd wel eens een plet, hè. Dus zeg ik, ja. Ik heb die prijs gevraagd, niet. Die vader die hier zien.
Guys, the problem is that I don't eat olives.
I don't eat olives either. I don't
Look so
eat.
loud.
I just eat 3 of these things.
It's fine, me too.
Okay, post dala.
That looks nice. Guys.
Okay.
Imagine you're really hungry now. I feed you this.
Eat it, man. Go ahead. I want to eat. So I think it's crunchy. Ik eet net. Ik kan eat.
Isn't this thing
Ik
has
kan
potential?
die area eat.
Baby?
Maar die brood is te hard. Hij gaat met gums hier maken.
That thing has potential because it tastes like nothing.
But why is your face looking?
Because I'm chewing, I can feel me eating crisp, but there's no taste. That thing has potential. Let's try this. Through a
It's a
breakies.
mukbang. Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Ja, dikke toast. Nee man, babe, hij staat.
That one's nice, baby. It tastes like
It tastes like my gums will bleed.
tastes like popcorn.
Popcorn.
Popcorn and French toast. This look like a pit. Guys, now the one thing about me, now let me quickly tell you, my mommy is very simple. Like my mommy would never put grapes and bacon on the same plate. You know? Like she's just like that. So when I see these things, then I'm like, why? What must I do with this?
You know why?
That was really good. Okay, guys, melon is my favorite. Oh, but it was sour. Baby, this is the one.
This is a mukbang. Yeah, I know. So, die wine tasting consists of mense wat vir ons wyn bring. Ek gaan hulle weg. Dan maak ek eendag van die video's en TikToks. En dan is ons borde so net dan upload ons video's of TikToks. En dan na daai kyk ek dan van die notifications. Basically wat ek sê is ek kry nie aandag. Guys, en dis my honeymoon. En ek voel as verkeerd man.
That's wrong. You want aandag when you want it. Because when you were making your videos and stuff now, you didn't want me to bother you. Listen, I just tried that.
Can we try together?
It's amazing. Why do you say ugh?
Okay, my turn.
Taste it. Not like that. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Give it here. I like it.
Tastes like steers without the burger.
Guys, I'm gonna try and figure out now what we do here. Look at this.
You don't even eat pineapple.
That was never for me.
Apple.
It feels different being fed by your wife now.
Feels different. It is different. Top 5 fruit of all time. Give me 14 of these right now. Ik ga een beetje drank. Ik ga niet liggen.
I told you I also feel
We gaan toe zoals toe.
Let's go turn them off.
It's niet a driver man. Als ik dronken kan
Maybe Uber. We go drop the car in the Uber.
Mukbang.
Let's try
Kijk, daar is een stukje brood.
een stukje brood. Try een stukje brood.
You're scrubbat. It's lekker. It tastes nice.
I told you the
I'm not about that though.
I'm gonna
This
have
one?
But you must actually put
What is this?
stuff on. I'm not sure.
What did you put on?
I didn't put that on it. It's probably like soaking or something.
Alexa, aardappel was hij?
No, it does look like an apple.
Mm.
Mm?
Mm.
Mm.
So,
Can I just tell you something? I had like a really bad experience now with blue cheese. Well,
someone's been abused.
I don't know if it was blue cheese or, but it was someone's 16th birthday party. There was the yellow cheeses, and me being a cheese lover or dairy lover, I was just like, that surely that's gonna be nice. I'm certain you don't eat it that way, but okay. And then I tried of this cheese, and when I tell you, it's that same cheese that I had at that burger at Kettle Baron, that Nevada burger. And I thought,
Swak burger.
yeah, but it wasn't their fault. It's just that it's a specific type of cheese, and
You
my
don't-
taste buds don't like
don't
that
mix with
cheese. Yeah. So I ate that. Baby, do you know I didn't eat anything for the rest of the day because that stuff made me nauseous. So when I see these nice cheese, it
Mm.
looks nice, but I'm scared because what does it taste like?
I just eat that, no? In salads, maybe wrong.
No.
Nice.
That
I
looks
klein porties in the salad.
Yeah, but that's feta, baby. That's not the same.
Oh, it's not blue.
Can you taste this one and tell me how it tastes?
Maybe this is a mes in my mond. Hy is my lang. Hy het amper my vuur gestiek van binne af.
Perfect.
It has
cheese.
a bietjie van 'n cheesy
Pump.
aftersmaak, so it's well taste.
Okay, wait, let's.
Is dronk.
Baby, you did more in my mouth than the camera is.
Like lekker.
Mine is
Mas hy dood.
broken.
Mas hy dood.
You're gonna like. It's actually good.
I can confirm that I'm really drunk nogal for real. Hy proe soos popcorn wat gebrand is. Like, is lekker, maar die brand overwhelm die lekkerness. You can hear by the cracking, guys.
I think it's the piece that you had. Also, because look, here's no burner.
3 rand juice.
Juice.
Ah, I can taste the difference here. This one is a bit more butter-ish. This one.
Yeah, fruity, some raspberry, strawberry flavors.
Mm.
8 to 9 months. Yes.
This is more fruity. Oh, it's colder than the others. I'm not sure.
Okay. That one is
This
cold.
is also cold. Yeah, this is also cold. It
Right.
tastes lighter.
Then the last one, which is my personal favorite, Cabernet Sauvignon. Fully bodied, well rounded, some use of blackcurrant berries, those dark red fruits.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you, boss. Die man is eigenlijk concerned waar brood. As wat sy hoor die fyn is. Kyk hier, sy het nou die kom brood gemaak.
She eat my voice over here.
Sy het nou die kom brood gemaak. Sy luister niks wat die man sê nie. Want sy maak eie brood. Sy kan mos brood by die huis maak. Sy het mos kaas en bologna by die huis.
Wat is nou, man?
Nou wat is hy een? Hy glas is hy nou drink. Wat is hy in sy naam? Wat is die steak pairing sa een sy naam?
Cabernet Sauvignon Blanc.
Het hy opgemaak. Hy is al iemand onthou. Wat is daar nog?
This one is a Merlot.
You only know Sauvignon Blanc and Merlot.
The one before.
What is
this
that?
is a Sauvignon, a Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a Merlot. The one I had before this was a Shiraz, and the other one that I had was a blend. He said.
Spinatage. You don't even know.
Is it?
Spinatage, Syrah, Sriracha, Sauvignon Blanc. Wines to Wales, basically, man.
I wish our friends were off.
Ons moet...
Imagine Candice and Perry, they was with us lekker now.
Danny en Ethan ook. Yo, hy is al funny gewees het, man. Donnie. Amo. Tiffany is so gesyp, man. Die ou kon net om die draai om te vra as ons alright. Toe skrik toe. Skrik die man. Gooi ek hier vir julle gou rundown. This is a Merlot Sauvignon. This is a 24-year-old wyn. Wat hy doen is hy bring uit die fruits, meestal licorice, avocado. Die een wat nou op is, hy is 'n goeie pairing met gherkins en carrots. Hulle noem hom Carignan Blanc. Hy is 'n goeie een, maar ek het hom klaar gedown because ek het goeie eyesight man. Ek eet baie carrots. Die een is 'n Versace Malo. Hy- So wat hy doen is you don't even know. So wat hy doen is hy gee like 'n skop in terms of jou hande nie of voete. So that's what ek mean by skop. Hy dra net Nikes, die ene Air Force Blacks.
And then I think he's done. Stop. Maybe you're supposed to chase the flies away.
What about the one sitting next to me? Ek kan mos nie vir jou huis toe jaag. Jy is nog al lekker dronk nou en sy. Hoe voel sy?
Me so.
Jy mag gaan slaap.
Maybe no, man. We're gonna sleep 5 o'clock again.
I
now.
know. We're gonna have a lekker eventful honeymoon day. Anyway, but yesterday we were in Stellenbosch. Today, yeah. Tomorrow, ek sê nou guys, ek sê nou ons gaan môre Greenwich toe. Every day's vlog is gonna be a different vlog. Because it's gonna be honeymoon part 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do that.
So what we're gonna do tomorrow? Bowling.
Bowling, ice skating.
I
That's gonna be lekker content.
I just wanna get drunk as a ground.
Come we get drunk in Grand West, no? And then we do that stuff. Ek wil die casino ook gebruik, babes. Nee, come we do it, but then we must go early now, please.
You say this every time.
Nah,
like
but-
it's only my
No,
fault.
but like, can we go early? Like,
Let's go
leave at
early.
10 o'clock the morning.
10 o'clock. That's
10 o'clock the morning. We're not gonna make us.
promising.
Remember, we're not gonna make us erg mooi because we're gonna ice skate, we're gonna bowl, we're gonna do activities. So, like, shorts and stuff, not a dress because you're gonna bowl and ice skate.
You're already trying to calculate my outfit for tomorrow.
Nah, you can still dress quiet, but just in pants, man.
Yeah,
because
it's
we're gonna do
fine.
activities.
That's okay.
We can even go to Hanover Street there.
You can't go during the day, my love. You wanna go to a club during the day?
Can we go can we stay all day there? Then we do the
I don't wanna
evening.
go clubbing.
Ek ookie. I just want you to say no.
Okay, I don't wanna do
Ek wil nie getroud is en in 'n klub is nie man. Ek voel so hy's verkeerd. You know what I mean?
This is my favorite one.
Ek hou nie van ry aan nie man. Like A300 into hulle, ek is nie 'n fan nie guys. Ek hou van die kant aan 'n bos hulle lekker. You know, Baden Powell hulle, ek is 'n Baden Powell ou Paulke draai ou. Sien jy?
Guys, me, I felt like I got my license for a reason.
Tony.
I love this one.
Oh, you really?
In the Baroka International.
Like a
Matthew
rosé.
bought this one.
Right, guys.
Right.
Enjoyed the last ones. I hope you enjoyed all the wine.
Thank you
Well,
so
we
much.
enjoyed
We
it a lot,
enjoyed it.
Lloyd. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Where's yours?
What do you mean? My what?
Your glass.
Yeah,
You didn't pour parts of that.
this is my last one.
Did you pour now
Mm.
with other glass?
He poured it.
Uh-huh.
Before I made the video, he poured. Sy is amper soos julle, né? Asof sy nie regte liewe hier is nie. Julle het nou net gesien die glas op hier. Sy het gesien die man gooi die glas, maar sy vra vir my, moet hy nie vir julle gegooi nie. Sy het mos nie begin kyk toe die video begin nie. Verstaan jy?
I didn't see.
This nigga drunk. You're supposed to open your mouth. Okay. Let's go for it, guys. I love it. We're buying this one. We're buying that one, guys. Om eerlik te wees, né? Ons het cash kontant gebring. Van die wedding geld, né? Nou, sê is funny. Is nie funny nie, maar is realistic. Ons honeymoon moet nie wedding geld, né? Because it's mos nou geld om ons te geniet, is mos nou gift geld. This is actually the best gift people can give, né? Monetary value, because then you can do whatever. Like, look at us now, né? We got a certain amount of money from people. Now every day we're going out with that money. It's not like we're wasting it because it was a gift. Like, enjoy yourself type of thing. Oh, wait. We're buying that. Anyway, the point is, né? Ons het van hy geld gebring. Ek weet nie of het genoeg is vir die daggie, because ek voel so dat het 'n dierplek te gebring. Imagine die plek is te duur.
This thing is like 300 rand.
Het jy geld gebring? At all.
Are
Het jy nie 500 rand van jou kant af gebring
You
nie?
said we're only gonna take the 500 rand that was here. I don't have any. I don't even have a purse on me.
You know? Die ding van marriages, guys, wat baie mense nie vir julle vertel nie, né? As even in verhoudings in some cases.
Married for what, 3 days?
Die ding wat sy nie verstaan nie, is sy moet dink vir 2. Hy is die ding. Sy moet dink vir twee as sy voel sy moet iets doen en sy dink, okay, she's gonna think for herself. Obviously she's gonna bring it. She won't. Do it for her. Okay, guys,
You said,
do it for her.
you said that tomorrow we're gonna take cash separately and we're gonna go play games.
Ek het al vandag gesê.
Exactly. But you didn't tell me we're doing it today, so.
Kyk of dis sy's dronk. Finally klaar met die wine tasting, guys. Moenie vra hoe die bil was hy. Ek is dronk. Drunk files. Can we go through there? I think it's faster through there.
This is so nostalgic, né?
Oh ja. Oh, ek het gesê ek het propose hier nou, guys, so. Dis nou emotional tyd vir ons, man, especially since ons dronk is. You know. Jy meer emotional as usual. Verder dan sukkel ons om te loop hier met ons heels kykie. Ja, maar die plek is beautiful, joh. Guys, imagine die hoenders zag nou vir ons. En iemand het mos nou nie die regte skoene om weg te haloop nie, man. Are you scared of hoenders?
No.
Nou kom ons roep het gauw.
No, come.
Kom. Hoene. Iemand is honger gedrink. Lekker pryse. Iemand is honger gedrink. What are you taking?
I don't know yet, but I'm still looking.
Guys, dit is moeg. En is nou eers hoe laat? Is nou 3:20 in die middag, né? Yo, we were there for 3 hours. Remember we had to be there 12?
We enjoyed it there,
We
that's why.
enjoyed it, yeah. It was lekker. Stefan is going all over the budget. Ek weet nie of sy willing is om skottelgoed te was nie, maar ek gaan nie.
Guys, you know what about Dylan now? We would know we're on a budget. But he would tell everyone, so now he's just like
Saraj.
so now he's just like, are you gonna have that because we're on a budget? Nigga, I know we're on a budget, you know we're on a
Ek bly
budget.
vergeet om met charge te bring, ek hier's 'n charging port my bro.
Stop interrupting me.
Nee, laat ek met hom.
My
Is hy 'n
face.
boyfriend gesit?
My
Is
face.
hy 'n husband gesit?
Exactly.
Then
We
respect.
share face.
No, we don't.
Hello.
Guys. Ek wil ek dat nie so gelaas man. Wat is die?
Rosé.
Die rosé kyk, die lyk aan soos dis black label. Ou veel gelaas bro. Ouens, wie is hy dan? Ek drink is black label nie, né, but ons kom met man. Ek hoe gaan sit, moet na hier toe gaan. So many big dogs you said, nee, wag. Guys. Sy rosé georden.
Giving box.
He's on a kind of charge.
Giving box.
Giving batag. You didn't say rosé. You said you guys have
Yeah.
you said the name of the wine.
Chapel. And then they didn't have.
They
and
had-
then I
this is
ordered
the normal
rosé.
chapel.
No, this is rosé.
You know you get Chapel sweet red and then you get Chapel the normal red wine.
Baby, focus. They didn't have chapel in a
Die kan ook
glass.
van slim of van verkeerd order.
You don't listen.
You didn't say rosé though.
I did.
And this
not.
is not rosé.
It's rosé. What do you
Is
know?
that butter? We gaan nou die eet, guys. Ons het vragen over doggy bag. Yo guys, so at this point the mic was pap. Die battery was pap. But my vrou wil bietjie voete nat gemaak het by 'n pool. So we went to the pool and we enjoyed our time there. So yeah guys, that's a vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and God bless.